Hello, geometry students. This is a video of example 1 for Geometry Topic 3, Lesson 1. The lesson essential question: how are the properties of reflection used to transform a figure? We have rigid motion as the vocabulary. And in the end, you'll be able to draw and describe the reflection of a figure across a line of reflection. Moving on to the first example. Identifying rigid motions. A rigid motion is a transformation that preserves the length and the angle measure. Is a transformation a rigid motion? Explain. We can see those two objects, the pre-image and the image, they have the same shape. The angles are the same, but the lengths are different. And because the lengths are different, then it's not a rigid motion. Okay? The transformation is not a rigid motion because the length is not preserved. So you need the lengths and the angles to be preserved. Let's look at the next one. Okay, what do you think about this? Is this transformation a rigid motion? Click pause if you wish, and then come back. Looks to me like they're the same shape. Well, they're the same size and the same shape, because if you rotate this, it would be that one. You always start with the pre-image and then you go to the image, and it looks like they rotated it. Yeah, I think it's the same thing. Let's see what they wrote. Yes, the points of the image are in the reverse order, but length and angle measures are preserved. The points of the image are in reverse order. I don't know, I just think they rotate it. Rotate is probably a better term to use. Let's look at another one. Is the transformation a rigid motion? Click pause if you want to think about it for a bit. If you're all set, here we go. They look like they're the same shape, but I can see very easily that this length's a lot longer than that length. So no, there's no way. This is not a rigid motion. The size of the image changes, so the length measure was not preserved. Yep, there you go. Believe it or not, that's it for this lesson. You can now do problems 17, 18, 12, 33, 30, and 31. Have a nice day.